ating channel. So, Sabado na ngayon. Thank you, Lord. So, it's been a really long week sa trabaho namin, guys. Super busy. And ngayon is, actually, guys, hindi pala siya good morning. Kasi, ayan, 12:06 na siya ng hapon. And, nagre-ready kami kasi aalis kami, guys. Alam nyo, si ate nyo today is super very, grabe gigay ka, intense jud kayo. Now, I'm super excited kasi after 6 months, makakabalik ako ulit sa hairdresser ko, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo yung buhok ko, guys. O, dito tayo sa my lighting na maganda. So, yung tubo ng buhok ko, guys, is hanggang dito na siya. The last time na pumunta ako ng hairdresser, guys, was November 2019 for my birthday. So, yun yung gift ko para sa sarili ko. Nagpakulay ako ng hair and all. Tapos, sabi nung hairdresser sa akin, para hindi ka masyadong mamahalan and para madali yung process, come back in 2 months for regrowth. Para yung tubo niya, guys, hanggang dyan lang. Tapos, very easy lang yung pag-fix. Babalik sana ako doon mga January. Tapos, nung January, guys, umuwi yung sister Mimi ko sa Pilipinas. And we got really busy and all. Tapos, nung pagka-uwi ng sister ko sa Pilipinas, guys, so the day after her flight, nag-move kami ng bahay. So, sobrang busy talaga ng atin nyo, guys. Kaya, hindi ko na napagtuunan ng pansin ng aking hair. Tapos, naging busy na rin ako sa trabaho. And, si Lolo COVID pala is nag-start na, nag-quarantine, nag-lockdown. So, wala na talagang nangyari, guys. But now, the shops are starting to open. And, nag-message ako sa kanila last week. Sabi ko, kailan kayo mag-open? Open na pala sila last week, guys. But, meron na kasi kaming naplano na gawin. Kaya, hindi ako pumunta. So, binook ko na lang for today at 1 PM. And, ang oras, guys, is 12:10 na. So, magdadrive pa tayo papunta dun. Magkakarak-karaka na naman tayo nito. Alam nyo na, guys. So, late na gumising. Tapos, may pa-arty-arty pa na mga makeup. Kaya, ayan. Tapos, si Mike na yun, guys. Nagbabrush lang ng teeth with Paris. Tapos, andito na yung mga, susuotin niya. Kasi very excited na rin siya. Ito pala yung bag natin today, guys. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Ay, pakita ko yung outfit ko sa inyo, guys. Hello? Are you ready? Ala. Ito pala yung outfit ko, guys. Very quickly. So, lang ako, guys. So, naka-pants ng ganyan. Tapos, nag-flats. And white na top. And ito yung bag ko today. Ayan. So, ayan na si Mike sa background. Daddy, what's your outfit today? Wala siyang perfect shirt today. But, yeah. Ayan yung outfit niya today, guys. Alin na, nak. Ready na ta, nak.
Sitting down, baby.
Bata, gamay. Alin na.
Makarga na, baby.
Among labhonon, guys. Kuy, mura gid siya kuan. Mura siya mountain higher.
So you can go see the duck.
No, that's it.
You go see the duck. Ayan na ang ating baby. Nabihisa na rin siya after 1 million years. Uy, very struggle talaga ang pagbihis niyan sa kanya. So, ayan na yan siya, guys. Wow, naka-boots. Naka-boots like anak. Baby girl, can you check the mailbox, please? Okay. Thank you, baby. Hello, lucky, my son. I'm gonna get my jacket, Bob. Huy, that's not ours, anak. Huy. Check the other one. Thank you. Nothing?
Nothing. Sit down.
Sit down na in the car. Black car. Nakaboots man si nanay. Bumalik lang ako sa loob, guys, kasi binalikan ko tong makapal na jacket ko kasi baka biglang guminaw mamaya ba. Nandito na kami sa loob ng sasakyan, guys, and it's 12:28 na ng hapon. And mind you, 1 o'clock yung appointment ko. Naku, mag-speeding na naman tayo nito ngayon. You ready, Daddy?
Yes.
Hello people! Nakarating na kami guys and it is currently 1:01 but luckily nagpark kami sa harap lang talaga ng hair salon dyan. So that is fine. If I am mga 5 minutes late, that is okay. It's fine. And kung na-notice nyo guys, yung hair ko guys, ganito siya since kahapon. So, hindi ko siya niliguan. Kasi pag nagplano talaga akong magpakulay ng buhok, hindi ko nililiguan yung buhok ko. Kasi, yung, I don't know, this is something that I learned, right? Pag nagpapakulay ka ng buhok and, you know, hindi mo niliguan yung buhok mo beforehand, yun bang natural oil sa buhok mo will protect your scalp sa mga harsh na chemicals from the hair color. So, yun guys. Papasok na ako ngayon guys ha. And dun si Paris, kukunin na siya ni Daddy. They will go for a walk down the lake while Mama's gonna get her hair done. So, I'll see you later guys. Diyan ako pupunta guys, A&J Hair Trends. There, andito na tayo. You sit down na? Hmm? You're not gonna sit down? What are you gonna do, Daddy? Are you gonna carry her like that? Okay. Thank you, Daddy. So, kiss Mama, B. Kiss Mama. You enjoy, okay? Enjoy with Daddy.
Bye.
Bye, honey. Love you. So cute. Ang ulirang ama.
Hey! Ow! Look at Daddy.
Hi guys! We're back in the car and tingnan nyo guys, yung hair ko. Ito na yung bagong kulay ko guys ngayon. But, I'll show you a better view later pag uwi namin sa bahay kasi nandito na kami sa sasakyan and yes honey, ang anak ko ay nagmami-mami na. And alam nyo guys, it's already 4:12 na ng hapon. And I'm telling you na, wala pa akong kinain talaga mula kaninang umaga. Kasi late kaming nagising. And tapos nagmamadali na kami nag-ready para sa appointment ko. And hindi ako nakapag-lunch. Ngayon, nag-lunch si Mike. And yan yung binili niya guys. Paella. So, kain muna ako guys bago kami umuwi. See you soon! So, nandito kami ngayon guys sa labas ng Coles Supermarket. Pero, hindi na ako lumabas, si Mike na lang kasi si Paris sa likod guys nakatulog. Hintay na lang namin si Mike dito. But, since meron pa namang, meron pa naman si Mr. Sunsun, Mr. Golden Sun. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung hair ko guys. So, ayan, tingnan nyo. Uy, nag-focus pa. So, it's definitely lighter compared sa kanina, guys. But, I really like it. So, yung pinuntahan ko na hairdresser, guys, sila din yung nag-kulay ng buhok ko last time. So, that was November 2019. But then, last time, very, I don't know, my hair was in a bad state that time kasi nagpa-foil ako and everything. So, yung hair ko, kailangan niyang i-fix. But this time, kasi, you know, it's been 6 months and I didn't do anything crazy to my hair. So, kaya medyo mas maganda yung result ngayon kesa last time. Nung pagdating ko dun guys, sabi ko lang sa kanya na gusto ko lighter than my current hair but no bleach. So, I'm really strict guys about sa bleach because I don't know if you watched my previous video na story ko na sa inyo before yung very sad hair story ko na my hair was very long and I had to cut it short like up to here kasi nga nadaot siya guys because of the bleach. Kaya ngayon, no to bleaching na talaga ako. So sabi ko sa kanya, is it possible to get a lighter hair but walang bleach? So it's really amazing guys na you have that option. And I think she used something I don't know, she called it high lift or something. So as you can see, para siyang ashy brown guys, but she didn't use any bleach to my hair, but lighter siya. So yeah, kasi guys ang hirap pahabain ng buhok ko, and I don't want to take the risk again. So let's talk about the price. So magkano nga ba magpakulay ng buhok dito sa Australia? So with mine, full color lang talaga siya. So wala talagang, hindi siya katulad sa balayage or ombre na maraming steps. This one is just full color. So with this one guys, and sa ganitong length, I paid 215 Australian dollars. So that's 215. She charged me the same amount like last time. Kasi last time, she had to do a lot more to my hair kasi nga maraming ng kulay yung buhok ko guys. Parang may 7 colors. Kasi yun nga, parang ewan ko kung anong ginawa sa buhok ko noon. But anyways, I just want to forget about that really sad hair story. With my hair now, I am actually very happy, and I think it is really worth it paying that much. Kasi guys, I learned my lesson the hard way. So yun nga sabi ko before, no, year 2016 I had balayage, and kasi nga I went to a place where it's cheaper compared sa ibang places. Yun guys, nasunog yung buhok ko kasi nga 'di ba, tinipid ko kasi yung buhok ko. Kaya now I learned my lesson na even though I have to pay a bit more, but at least alam kong safe yung hair ko. Kasi guys, ayoko nang putulan yung buhok ko guys, kasi nga tingnan nyo, mahaba na siya ngayon guys. Gusto ko pa talaga siyang pahabain. Before, yung hair ko guys is mahaba pa nito, but kasi nga I had to start from the top kasi kailangan ko siyang ikat hanggang dito dahil yung buhok ko is nasunog from bleach before. Kaya yun, kaya now I'm very careful na kung saan ako pumupunta. Alam ko na talaga kung anong salon yung pupuntahan ko. And I'm very loyal guys. Pag alam kong maganda yung resulta kung saan ako pumupunta, I keep going there kasi alam ko na my hair would be nice, and hindi siya mamamatay, hindi nila papatayin yung buhok ko. And she was actually really happy with my hair guys. Sabi niya, you maintain your hair very well, kasi 6 months wala talaga akong sa buhok ko, hindi ako nagpunta ng hairdresser or anything. So ako lang sa bahay, like shampoo and conditioner and mga treatment na mga ganyan. But sabi niya guys, compared sa ibang mga clients niya before, bilis daw talaga humaba ng buhok ko. Ganito yung pagtubo niya guys, hanggang dito. Tapos sabi niya, for 6 months, that is amazing. Yeah, parang ang bilis daw tumubo ng buhok ko. But for me guys, no, very slow niyang tumubo. So hindi ko pinagupitan guys, hindi ito. Actually, hindi talaga length. Yung ginawa niya is tinrim lang niya para more full daw yung look. And very healthy yung sa baba kasi nawala na yung mga split ends. Pero hindi niya talaga parang kinat na para ma-short siya, which I like very much. Gustong gusto ko talaga guys. Tapos nagpalaga lang ako ng ganito guys. Yung parang may bangs shibangs. May shibang siyang ganyan guys. I really like it. I'm very happy with my hair guys. It looks, parang it looks healthy and bouncy. Yung parang hindi siya patay, guys. So, I'm very happy with it. So happy. Very worth it talaga yung money na binayad ko, guys. And the process took, mga 3 hours kasi 1 o'clock ako doon. Tapos, natapos kami 4 o'clock. So, 3 hours talaga siya. And I'm very grateful para kay Mike kasi, obviously, Mike looked after Paris for the whole duration. Parang dinala niya si Paris sa park, naglaro-laro sila. And I'm very happy, no? Kasi kaya kung si Mike, guys, buang nga pagkamahan. Like, yeah, he wouldn't do it. But, Mike is very sweet. And, he knows that I really wanted to do my hair. And I know that whatever makes me happy makes him happy. Kaya, yun. So, time check, guys, is 5:09 na pala siya ng hapon. And since wala pa naman si Mike dito guys, i-end ko na lang yung vlog dito para pagka-uwi namin sa bahay is ma-spend ko yung time with Paris and Mike kasi nga 'di ba almost whole day today parang sila lang dalawa kasi yung mami nila ay guwapa, kunuhay. And guys, gandang-ganda talaga ako sa sarili ko guys. GGSS talaga ako ngayon guys. Sabi ko sa hairdresser na I think maganda yung mood ko all day today. Kasi maganda yung feeling ko sa hair ko. But anyways, but before ko i-end yung vlog natin guys, gusto ko ulit magpasalamat and again and all over again guys. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng bago nating subscribers and sa mga manonood nating nagko-comment sa ating mga videos. Kasi guys, appreciate ko talaga kayong lahat and I'm very happy. You're making me very happy na every time na pag-open ko ng YouTube ko is may makikita akong comments and it just brings joy to my heart guys. So maraming salamat talaga. So, mag-shoutout ako and I'm going to start sa mga sa mga nag-comment kasi yun naman talaga yung binabasa ko guys. So, I want to welcome everyone, yung mga bago nating subscribers. Welcome dito sa ating channel and sana patuloy nyo kaming suportaan and patuloy nyong panoorin ang ating mga videos. Sana hindi kayo magsawa guys. So, first one, shoutout to Telma Kalilong. Hello. Sally Almanzor. Charis Malibiran, Mariville Patiag, shout out sis, Amber Kikai's World, Junray Gikan, so ingon siya, hi Dam, pa-shout out, Gina Gikan diri sa CDO, hello, silingan, shout out sa inyo diha tanan sa Cagayan, o sa Balingasag, among mga silingan ng mga gwapo-gwapa. Shout out to Maria Dimna Baliber, Daisy Awitin, ng akong igagaw nga gwapa gihapon. Gwapa na lang. Lourdes Daus, Jenny Cass, shout out to Ella Soriano, Evelyn Karina Vlog 2020, Chariza Onables, shout out. Shout out to Disa Donghil, Richard Antiga, Jeline Kabigting, hello. Teresa Leonor, Jess Shell, Little Miss Isay, Rizalyn May Bating. So, sabi niya guys, hindi ako na shoutout kasi yung last video ko kasi guys is late yun siya. So, hindi ko pa nakita yung mga comment nyo noon. Kaya hindi ka na shoutout. Sorry Sisi, but now shoutout kita. Rizalyn May Bating, hello! Welcome sa ating channel. Lenny May Bautista, Jocelyn Lituanias, Christine Joy Tabak, Heart of Filipina Bella, Lohan Pasadas, Lawless Family, my friendship na beautiful is, Bavel American Life, Cactus PH, hi sis, Lerna May Estiliore, Janet Gordon, Sis Life and Adventures Mamado. Pa-shoutout po sa Mamado family and Condesa family, sabi niya. So, shoutout Mamado family and Condesa family. Welcome sa ating channel. Hazel Guelin, Kathleen Domo, from Barangay Size. Hello! Hello sa mga ta-Barangay Size. Elma Araneta, hello po. Michael David Oiko, Samantha Di Jessica from Davao City. Hello sis. Lizelle Iga, Daragang Magayon, Cindy Tan, Rosana Baluyot, Kaylor Schuberg. Sorry sis kung hindi yun pagkabasa sis kasi hindi marunong magbasa yung friendship nyo dito. Majoy Estrada, Nori Ann, April Rose Romero, Emma Galera. Shout out to family Sanga, hello ati, Christy Tumayan, Nash Harry Varona, and Judy Tai Pangit. So yun na yun guys, kasi parang magsa-sunset na siya guys, magdidilim na siya. But thank you very much for watching our video. Appreciate ko kayong lahat. And again, sana hindi kayong magsawang sumuporta sa ating mga videos. And kung meron man kayong mga request, let me know. Kasi baka pwede natin gawin yan. Ay, andyan na pala si Mike guys. Dumating na siya.
Thank you, Tita.
Thank you, Daddy. Ay, nakapasok na si Mike guys. Hello.
Hi.
Thank you. I told them, Daddy, that I thank you for looking after Paris while I was getting my hair done.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah. Do you like my hair color?
Yeah. It's very soft, Melbourne.
Be serious, Bob. Do you
I
like
said
it?
yes, babe. I love it.
Oh, yeah. It's good, yeah?
It's good.
Do you love me more?
Huh?
Do you love me more?
Yeah. I'm more inclined to make Paris number 2.
Hiya ka naman, Daddy. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Yun na nga sabi ko, i-end ko na lang dito kasi yun nga, para ma-spend ko naman yung oras sa kay Mr. Mackenzie at saka sa baby ko. But please give this video a thumbs up, and also Daddy, alam mo na yung gagawin mo.
Hit the subscribe button.
Huh?
Hit the subscribe
Yes, hit the subscribe button to be a part of this Mackenzie family, and we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good.
And if you can't,
Alam na guys. Be careful.
That's right.
Bye.
adios.
Say bye, Daddy. Adios.